What's up, everyone? This is another video from your boy Two Phones for Free, back again with informative information. Now, I want to talk about some movie and TV apps that no one on YouTube is really talking about, that I think you guys should pay close attention to, in my opinion, based on the facts and features and functionalities. All right, so no further ado, the first one I want to talk about is this application called Local Now. Okay, Local Now is based on local news. They also have movies on demand, TV shows, and local originals, Local Now originals, and things in that sort. So here we are. You got the Weather Channel. They're broadcasting right now. They got the recently added tab right here. Remember 9/11. Local Now top 10 movies of the week. You can go ahead and scroll through there, check out the top 10 movies. Okay. They got the Local Now shows, Local Now originals. All right. Then you got let me go ahead and mute that. All right. Then you got the Adrenaline Rush movies. Also Love and Laugh with your romantic comedies. They got thrillers and so on. So you could just scroll right at the homepage and it's live video footage right there. We're gonna go to the channels. Okay, this is the channels tab. They got Court TV, People TV. What else you guys might like? Newsy, Cheddar News, The First. They got Newsmax TV, Bloomberg Television, Bloomberg Quickies, Quick Take, Yahoo Finance, and then the Local Nows. Okay, and then the list goes on and on. You guys can check this out on the Google Play Store for free. All right, next is the movies tab. We kind of basically, did a rundown of the categories and things and that sort. But they got a slew of movies and TV shows, like I mentioned. They got comedy, probably some of the best comedy movies and series you might want to check out. And this is on Local Now. All right. Okay. So they got some ODs and, stuff like that. Something your parents might like. The animated flicks, they got these going on. So they got a little bit for the kids too and teenagers. So, let them know, or put this on their tablets or iPads. SciFi. They got some SciFi, and yeah, man, like I said, the list goes on. You just have to, check out this application. I think it's really slick and cool and, clean. And like I said, they got the shows. Yeah, just a whole selection, a nice, decent amount of content. And it's all 100% for free. You don't even need a login or registration. Just download the app and open it, and you on your way. And they, like I said, they even got a TV guide right here. So yeah, this might be your replacement for Lowcast too. Anybody interested? All right, let's go into IMDb TV. For some reason, people are not talking about this. Now, this is not IMDb the app. This is IMDb TV, the solution, the Prime Video solution for free, where they got the originals and stuff like that. They even got the lives, like everybody else, live channels. You can go ahead and check it out. Like it's really clean. I mean, don't get me wrong, it doesn't have like an actual TV guide per se, but you just scroll. I mean, you can keep scrolling till you find something that you might want to check out, watch, or something like that. You also, you can have an account with them. I think you don't need an account, but go ahead and check them out anyway. You got continue watching. You got popular movies, things in that sort like that. So popular TV at the top. If you like old school, I'll say if you like throwback TV shows, IMDb TV is the way to go. I'm telling you that right now. Yeah, like I said, it's a clean app, straightforward. Ain't got to go through all that fancy stuff. The Hunger Games on here, all that. Die Hard. All right. So, another app I think people not mentioning or trying to let people know about, Sling TV. Now you can actually get the free version of Sling TV without having a subscription or even a login. Another application that don't need a login. See, it says free live movies and shows. This is the main home screen. You got the guide. Now, something they should have changed about the guide is like instead of mixing in the stuff that's not free, they should have just made this the whole free guide. Like everything free, whole free guide, and that's about it. But yes, you gotta so it stops after what is this? I guess this sports channel right here. But the weird thing about Sling TV is the Stadium channel that you can get locally and on Samsung TV Plus app for free. It's not free on the Sling TV app, which is weird. I don't get that, but for some reason, I guess it's the partnership or something like that. They couldn't make it free. Pluto TV has it for free, but so this is my TV, and then like I said, you do have your channels and scheduled programs, things that sort like that. This on AMC Thrillers. Let me check here. Yeah, let's go to all channels. Okay, so you just scroll over to the next channel here at the top. Okay, IFC. And you just slowly, Fail Army. Just keep scrolling left or right. All right, Newsy, CS, ABC Live. Okay, they got all tons of stuff. So, yeah, if you want free content, man, this is the way to go. Also, another application, SYFY. This is a nice, cut, clean application for movies and TV. Now, some of the stuff in here isn't for free, and you have to have like a SciFi subscription, or I think like Disney Plus bundle or Hulu bundle, something like that, to open up the new episodes. But they do allow some things to watch, like the Voodoo Preacher. You can start watching this from the Paranormal Witnesses. It was another one you could watch without login. Yeah, this one right here, the Night Stalker. So, and then all the Harry Potters, I believe you can watch without. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the key. So yeah, you can watch all the Harry Potter. You can get your Harry Potter marathon on, and if that's what you like, and you can't find all the Harry Potters nowhere else for free. So here you go, SciFi. They showing you the Twilight Zone on live now, Kelly Clarkson show. So basically anything with a key you can't get open. Anything without a key you'll be able to watch and stream. I am not going to show you any shows because you know how it is with YouTube. And then you got the live button. They also got their channel list. See, most of these got channel guides and everything like that. Shows. They also got different partners: Bravo, CNBC, Entertainment Tonight, MSNBC, NBC, Oxygen, Peacock. They even got Peacock partnership. Telemundo. They got Universal Kids, Universal, USA. So these are all the sci-fi networks with collaboration. So yeah, man, check this application out. It's 100% free on the Google Play Store right now. Now I think I got one more to show off. Oh yeah, one more. ABC. ABC. It's actually pretty dope, man. This app, they stepped the game up, man. I gotta give, ABC, credit when it's due. So here's the setup with ABC, man. Check this out. This is the home screen. They're showing you a schedule. All right, they got more to watch. Now some of this is locked, just like every other cable network channel have certain things locked that you have to have a paid subscription for. But hey, if you know somebody log in, you can bypass it. They got partnership with Freeform, FX, National Geographics, and so on. So they have a lot of slew of networks collaboration to offer free content right from the application. and you can cast. So keep that in mind. With most of these applications, you can cast via Wi-Fi using your Android TV casting or smart TV, Roku's, what have you. Like I said, they got ABC, Freeform, FX, National Geographics. They got dramas, they got comedies, they got realities, they got throwbacks, and they got movies that you can check out. So yeah, man, it's another application that I think YouTubers are not talking about, and kind of wish they would. But hey, your boy Two Phones gonna talk about it here on his YouTube channel. You know. Also, let me do a bonus for you guys. The CW app. Now, if you got AT&T prepaid phone, this app is normally pre-installed already because of the collaboration with AT&T and some of the CBS networks and all that stuff like that. But CW does offer the latest episodes. Like, so whatever new episode came out this week, you can watch it like maybe hours after or day after, so and so like that. So the CW app is once again straightforward application, clean. All the shows and episodes are right from the main home screen. You can binge on your full seasons. Look, man, a lot of content for free, guys. A lot of content for free. That's all I got to say. Straight like that. And then whatever you not finished watching, you could continue where you left off at. I mean, the only thing you're missing, I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. But these are some of the movie apps and TV show apps I think a lot of YouTubers are not talking about or not mentioning. I don't understand why they don't. But it could be because a lot of people don't have enough storage on their phones and tablets, and they ain't got time to download all these apps and try them and test them. But hey, that's why you got YouTubers for and content creators. So let us download the apps and try them, and let us tell you or let you know and inform you about what apps you might want to check out. But check these apps out, man. I leave all the apps list in the description box below. Check out the blog site. Blog coming up soon. Leave the link in the description box. If you like the content, you're more than welcome to donate via Chime, Google Pay, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo. All right, man. It's your boy Two Phones. I'm out of here.